Hello, everybody. So, if you're in the mood for some Italian seasoned food without cooking pasta, maybe you don't have any pasta, any spaghetti, or anything like that, use potatoes. You can make a delicious Italian dish with potatoes instead of pasta. So, here's some potatoes. And what I did, I just added some cut up Italian sausage right here. I added olive oil. Let's see if I can find, here's a caper. I added garlic chopped up right here. And I cooked the potatoes in the microwave first just to save time. And then when I was finished cooking them, I chopped them up, added them to tomato sauce, and I cut up the sausage also and put it in, excuse me, the pan. Then I added some Italian seasoning. This particular sauce did not have any seasoning. And this is my finished dish right here. It's very good. And this is a tip for the sausage. I'll go ahead and do another video if you guys are interested. But what I do is I cook the sausage when I buy them, okay? I cook them and then I put them in the freezer. When I want my sausage for a dish like this, for example, all I do is I take the sausage out, put it in the microwave, cook it maybe 90 seconds, then I slice it up and put it in my dish. This way, the food does not go bad, and then you take what you want when you want it, okay? So I hope you enjoy this recipe. It's so easy to cook. Potatoes have a lot more nutrients than pasta, so you should learn to substitute potatoes in your Italian dishes from now on when you have time. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.